Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix HP printer error that keeps saying printer is busy.
Fix 1. Cancel stuck print job. Step 1. On Windows, press Window R, type Control Printers, and hit Enter. Step 2. Right-click your HP printer and choose See What's Printing. Step 3. Cancel all pending print jobs. Step 4. Restart your printer and try again. Fix 2. Restart print spooler service. Step 1. Press Window or type Services, MSC, and press Enter. Step 2. Scroll down and find. Step 3. Right-click on it and select Restart. Step 4. Try printing again to see if the error is cleared. Fix 3. Check printer connection. Step 1. If using USB, unplug the cable and connect it to another port. Step 2. If using Wi-Fi, restart your router. Step 3. Reconnect your printer to the same network as your PC. Step 4. Print a test page to confirm the connection. Fix 4. Power cycle the printer. Step 1. Turn off your HP printer. Step 2. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Step 3. Wait for at least 1 minute. Step 4. Plug it back in, turn it on, and test. Printing again.